So today I will explain why companies use marketing channels and what function these channels perform. So a marketing channel is a group of organizations that have made product available to customer. For example, manufacturer, wholesaler, and retailer work together to deliver product to the final consumer. And marketing channels are important because they have company deliver products to customer more efficiently and conveniently. So company use marketing channel for several reasons. First, they have reduced the number of transactions between producer and customer. Instead of selling directly to many customers, manufacturer can sell to wholesaler or retailer who can sell to consumer. Second, marketing channels improve distribution efficiency, and each member specialize in different activities such as logistics, transportation, and selling. Because of this specialization, products can reach customer faster and at lower cost. Marketing channels also have bridged three important gaps. The first is the time gap, because products are products earlier but purchased later. The second is the place gap, seeing products are products in the one location but needed in many different places. The third is possession gap, meaning customer need a way to obtain ownership of the product. For example, Coca-Cola products are available in supermarket, convenience store, and vending machines around the world. Marketing channels also perform several important functions. They collect information about customer in the market. They help with promotion, such as advertising and products display in store, and they also create contact with potential buyers and help match products with customer needs. In addition, channel members have negotiated a price and term between buyer and seller. Finally, marketing channels also support logistics activities. They handle physical distribution, such as transportation, warehousing, and inventory management. They may also provide financing, for example, by holding inventory or offering credit. In addition, channel members take on risks so that unsold products or market changes. Overall, marketing channels play an important role in helping companies deliver products efficiently and create value for customers.
My name is Yifu, and today I will talk about channel behavior. In a marketing channel, many different companies work together to deliver products to customers. Each member has a specific role. For example, manufacturers produce goods, wholesalers distribute large quantities, and retailers sell directly to customers. Because the companies depend on each other, cooperation is very important to ensure that the product reaches customer effectively. Let's move to the channel conflict. However, conflicts can sometimes occur in marketing channels. Channel conflict refers to disagreements between channel members about goals, roles, and rewards. There are two main types. Horizontal conflict occurs between companies at the same level, such as two retailers competing with each other. Vertical conflict happens between different levels in the channel, for example, between a manufacturer and a retailer. To reduce conflicts and improve coordination, companies may use a vertical marketing system or VMS. In the system, producers, wholesalers, and retailers work together as a unified system. There are three main types. Corporate VMS occurs when one company owns multiple stakes on production and distribution. Contract Contract to VMS happens when independent companies cooperate through contracts, shared franchise system like McDonald's. Administered VMS occurs when one powerful company coordinates the channel through its influence. Another form of channel organization is the horizontal marketing system. This happens when two or more companies at the same level cooperate to pursue a new opportunity. For example, Starbucks partnered with PepsiCo to distribute ready-to-drink coffee products. Another important change is disintermediation. This means removing intermediary from the channel so producers can sell directly to customers. For instance, Nike sells many of its products directly through its official website and store.
I am Leon, and now I'm going to talk about learning objective 12.3 and 12.4. So first, the learning objective 12.3, identify the major channel alternatives open to a company. So first, let's start with channel design decisions. Channel design decisions focus on creating an effective distribution system that connects producers with customers. And the main steps here are analyzing consumer needs, setting channel objectives, identifying major alternatives, and evaluating the major alternatives. And these steps help companies choose the most appropriate distribution structure. So now we're gonna get to the first step, which is analyzing consumer needs. At this stage, companies try to understand what customers expect from a distribution channel. For example, customers may care about how quickly they can receive products, how convenient it is to access them, the variety of products available, and the level of service provided. By understanding these needs help firms design channels that deliver better value to customers. The second step is setting channel objectives. Companies must decide that what their distribution channels are expected to achieve. These objectives can vary depending on factors such as the nature of the product, the company's target market, and the overall marketing strategy. The goal is to ensure the distribution channel supports the company's overall marketing objectives. The third step is identifying major alternatives. Here, companies consider different channel structures. This includes choosing the types of intermediaries, such as wholesalers, retailers, and agents or brokers. They also decide the number of intermediaries, which can involve intensive, exclusive, and selective. Finally, companies define the responsibilities of each channel members, such as pricing policies, conditions of sale, territorial rights, and services provided. The next step is evaluating the major alternatives. Companies evaluate different channel options based on several criteria. These include economic criteria, which focus on costs and profitability, control issues, which refer to how much control the company has over the channel, and adaptive criteria, which relate to how flexible the channel is when market conditions change. Uh, after after that, after designing the channel, companies move to channel management decisions, which is the objective 12.4, explain how companies select, motivate, and evaluate channel members. So, after designing the channel, companies must manage it effectively. The key activities include selecting channel members, managing and motivating partners, evaluating performance, and considering public policy and legal issues. Good channel management ensures smooth cooperation and long-term success. So the first task is selecting channel members. Companies must carefully choose intermediaries that are reliable and capable of representing the brand effectively. And some important selection criteria are experience and reputation, financial strength, market coverage, and sales capability. By choosing the right partners, companies can maintain strong distribution performance. Next is managing and motivating channel members. Companies work with their channel partners by providing support, communication, training, and incentives to ensure good cooperation and performance. The third task is evaluating channel members. Companies regularly assess the performance of their intermediaries using criteria such as sales performance, inventory levels, delivery time, and customer service. And regular evaluation helps companies maintain efficiency and improve channel performance. Finally, companies must consider public policy and distribution decisions. Distribution activities must follow legal regulations related to fair competition, exclusive dealing, and other policies that influence channel relationships. And in conclusion, both channel design decisions and channel management decisions are essential for ensuring that products reach customers efficiently and effectively.
So to objective 12.5 Marketing Logistics and Integrated Supply Chain Management. The definition of marketing logistics refer to planning, implementing, and controlling the physical flow of goods, service, and related information from the point of origin to the point of consumption in order to meet customer requirements efficiently and repeatedly. In other words, marketing logistics ensure that the right product is delivered to the right customer at the right place, at the right time, and at the lowest possible cost. Effective logistics is important because it directly affects customer satisfaction, delivery speed, and company competitiveness. An example of this is Amazon. They use the advanced logistics system and warehouse to deliver product and customer within in 1 to 3 days. And next we move to the integrated supply chain management, which means coordinating on supply chain activity to deliver product from deliver efficiency to customer. It begins with customer analysis where the company understands customer needs and demand. Then the firm works with supplier through purchasing and supply partnering to obtain material. Next, inventory management and demand management would help the company maintain the right stock level and predict the demand. After that, the material moves to manufacturing and assembly where the product is produced. Final product go through storage, transportation, and other fulfillment. Ensure that customer orders are delivered accurately and on time. By integrating on the activity, company can reduce costs, improve efficiency, and increase customer satisfaction. Next, we have the 7 main functions of logistics management. First, transportation, move goods between locations. Secondly, managing inventory ensure that company keep the right amount of stock. Next, in warehouse, where the product are stored before delivery. And packaging, which protect the product during transportation. Handling and storage involve organizing and moving goods safely inside warehouse. The monitoring system check inventory and shipment using technology. Finally, order processing ensure that customer orders are received, repaired, and delivered accurately. Together, the logistics function help the company improve efficiency, reduce costs, and deliver better customer service. And we have the example of Walmart's new real-time inventory system to monitor stock level and quick restock store. And next we have the goal of logistics management not only simplify to minimize costs, but to maximize the customer value. Management must balance service level and cost because high service level usually require higher logistic costs. Therefore, the company aims to design a logistics system that delivers superior customer service at a low total cost. And finally, we have the role of third-party logistics, 3PL. Many companies outsource logistics activity to third-party logistics provide 3PLs. 3PL companies especially in services such as transportation, warehousing, inventory management, order fulfillment. Using 3PL allow firms to focus on their core business while improving the logistic efficiency. So we can see that I usually use the logistic partners such as DHL to manage the global shipping and distribution.
The role of retailers and major types of retailers. Retailing refers to all activities involved in selling goods or services directly to final customers for personal use. Retailers are the last link in the marketing channel connecting producers with consumer. The role of retailers in distribution channel. Retail, Retailers play several important roles in marketing channel connecting producers and customers, creating customer value, influencing purchase decisions, and shopper marketing. The shopper journey. The shopper journey includes three stages: before shopping, during shopping, and after shopping. For example, a hair care brand may advertise products online before shopping trip, offer promotions in store, and provide coupons for future purchases. Key questions in shopper understanding. Marketers must answer three important questions. First, who are the shoppers? Second, where do they shop? And finally, what motivates them to buy? Types of shoppers. Retail studies often classify shoppers into three main types: quick shopper, fill-in shopper, and stock-up shopper. Free shopper currencies. Shopper evaluate shopping experience based on three factors. First, money, product's price, and value. Second, time. How long does shopping process take? And finally, angst. Emotional stress like crowd, long queues, shortage. For example, if checkout lines are too long, customers may abandon their purchase. Major retailer marketing decisions. Retailers must make several key marketing decisions to compete effectively. First, target market decision. Retailers must decide which customer segment they want to serve. Second, product assortments and services decisions. Retailers must determine product varieties, assortments, products depth within each category, additional services offered to customer. Third, price decisions. Retailers must choose pricing strategies that match their positioning. Common strategies include everyday low price and high low pricing. Fourth, promotion decisions. Retailers promote their stores and products using various tools: advertising, sales promotions, in-store displays, digital marketing. And finally, location decision. Location is one of the most important decisions in retailing. Retailers must consider store location, accessibility, online or offline presence.
My name is Somai. Now I will talk about major trends in retailing. The first trend is omnichannel retailing. Today, customers shop through many channels such as physical store, websites, and mobile apps. Retailers need to connect these channels to create a better shopping experience. The second trend is shopper marketing. Retailers and manufacturers study shopper behavior to understand how customers make purchasing decisions. Research shows that most purchase decisions are made before shoppers enter the store, and only a small percentage of decisions happen inside the store. Another trend is data-driven retailing. Retailers use customer data to understand preferences and create better promotions. For example, supermarkets often use discount products display and digital promotion to attract shoppers and increase sales. Next, I will explain the major types of wholesalers. Uh, First, wholesalers are companies that sell products mainly to retailers or other businesses, not directly to consumers. There are three main types. The first type is merchant wholesalers. They buy products from manufacturers and resell them to retailers. The second type is broker and agents. They do not own the products. Instead, they have buyers and sellers connect and negotiate a transaction. The third type is manufacturer sale branches. These are wholesaling operations that are owned and managed by manufacturers. Wholesalers also need to make important marketing decisions such as choosing target markets, uh, deciding product assortment, setting prices, and maintaining good relationships with retailer. These decisions help wholesaler distribute products more efficiently.